Hey guys, how's it going? We're just getting some stuff ready for the stream. What's going on? What's going on, you guys? Just getting some stuff ready. Trying to change my category here. Yo, what's up, Vanity? I'm just trying to change some of the settings over here. All right. Okay, got the settings changed. What's going on, you guys? I'm gonna get the supplies ready, Vanity. We're getting the supplies ready. Alright, I gotta find my sack of potatoes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, dude. This is gonna be good. Yo, what's up, Slow Bro? How's it going? We're just getting our supplies ready here. Big fans, you guys. Big fans. Alright, dude. We're gonna get a nice cut of flounder over here. Has anyone here ever had flounder before? We're having some flounder and mashed potatoes, dude. Flounder and mashed potatoes. Let's get some cutting boards. Dang, dude, you never had a nice piece of flounder? Whew, that's crazy, bro. Alright, let's get focused here, you guys. What do we need? We need some half and half, some butter, some more butter, some garlic. We need some green onions today. Hey, what's up? Alright, let's see. A nice defrosting part. Yeah, I get it in French. Put this in some water to defrost it. Let's see. Get a nice defrosting bowl here. You can feel one easy attack. Oh, I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. Alright, there we go. Yo, what's up, Ace? We're just getting our flounder defrosted here. Let's start chopping up these potatoes. Oh, you know what? Hold on, I gotta grab my beef stock. Alright, where's my beef stock? You guys a big fan of beef stock? No, I'm just kidding. I got our beef stock ready. Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome to the stream. Alright, we got our sack of potatoes here. Let's pick out some good potatoes. And then I'm gonna wash them. Alright, these look pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna do a big mash today, you guys. Eat the lard. You know what? That's actually a good idea. Let me grab the lard. Thanks for. I'm glad you remembered that, dude. We got our nice old-fashioned lard here. We will be sampling this later. So stay tuned, you guys. Alright, hold on. I'm probably gonna use like How many are we gonna get? This is probably a good amount. I'm gonna save a couple for later. Alright boys, so yeah, we're just defrosting our flounder right here in some room temperature water. Don't overload on those taters. Oh, we're overloading on the taters, dude. Gonna go ahead and wash these really quick. Just gonna go ahead and give these a quick rub down. Rub down. And we're gonna leave the skins on, you guys. Who here likes mashed potatoes with the skin on? You guys big Raps fans? Yeah, I don't know about the dirt, dude. I'm removing the dirt. Alright, dude, I got a huge secret for you guys. So, there's like a really... Oh, shit, dude, that's a good idea, Vanity. Man, you're always popping with the ideas, dude. Always popping with the ideas. Let's put some cooking music on. What's some good cooking music? Hold on, let me look up some cooking music. Cooking music. Alright, let's see how this cooking music is. Oh my god, it's actual cooking music. Alright, you guys, we're going to use the special potato button on the microwave. Let's see, we got 8 No, I don't want one. There we go. 8 potatoes. Start. It's gonna take about 13 minutes. Maybe. And then looks like our fish is done. So, done the frosting, I mean. So let's go ahead and take that out of the, potato setting, dude. Alright, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and, give these a nice coating here, dude. We're gonna give this a nice coating. So let's move over to this side here. Alright, let me grab my eggs. We're gonna make a nice batter, you guys. Make a nice batter. Make a nice batter. Alright, let's see. I need a batter bowl. We'll use this bowl. How's that? Potato setting. Yeah, dude. Alright, let's back this up a little bit. Alright, does everyone here know how to make a nice fish batter? Lard the fish up. Alright, that's a good idea, dude. We're gonna lard the fish up, alright? Let me grab a spoon really quick. I like mixing stuff with spoons, you know? Spoons is the way to go when you're mixing. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna go ahead and take our egg. We're just gonna make a nice wash for this, you know what I mean? We're gonna take our egg here. Go ahead and crack that egg. We're gonna take our lard. Smack the fish. Alright, I'll smack the fish, dude. We're gonna take our nice spoonful of lard here, dude. You know what? Let's get a little bit more. Get a little bit more, dude. We're gonna get our nice lard in here. Let's throw in a little, little half and half, you know? Little half and half. Little bit of pepper. Little bit of salt. And we're gonna use our knockoff Old Bay. Just a little bit though. We're gonna throw some garlic powder in there. And we're gonna add a little bit of water. Got my nice water adding device here. Alright, let's give this a nice mix. Let's give this a nice mixy. Thinking about the beans. You want me to take the fish and smack the dog with it? Thanks, dude. That's a very high quality mug there, dude. Very high quality mug. It's the best item when you're trying to drink some good beers, you know? Best item. Alright, this should be good. Alright, you guys. Let's get I'm gonna get a paper plate. Probably 2. Actually, yeah, dude, I don't think I'm gonna taste this, dude. I might get salmonella. I don't trust those 49-cent eggs. Alright, we're gonna break out the panko breadcrumbs. We're gonna get our nice self-rising flour here. Get that on our bowl.